Happy Tuesday, friends. I'm downtown Bethlehem. Just stopped at our friends at Lit Coffee for an iced coffee and some more coffee beans for the office. And I'm at one of my buddies who's an investor. I am at his commercial property that in Bethlehem that he's currently renovating, that's going to have a bunch of residential units and a downstairs commercial unit. He's not here, but I'm gonna walk through it and check it out and put some video together for you. All right, so this is the commercial unit. All right, and now I am going to go into the residential section.